Hey there everyone, Sandy Man. So this is another figuration of it being messed up. I was told that the one I did was a little easy, but if you've never used the Rubik's Cube and you're not like me and you're not uh, turning 40 soon, and you've never used this would this could take you up to 5 to 10 minutes or even longer. Um, it can be done to solve this configuration. So, let's get started. But it takes you longer if you don't know what you're doing. So this is why I was trying to show an easy way to do it if you've never done it before. So, got a center, but they're in the wrong spot. The centerpieces, and I did explain that, are that's the yellow side. Okay, that's the yellow side, that's the orange side, that's the blue side. Yes, you can know all those things, but still mess up. Okay. The Rubik's Cube is so something to think about, and if you don't get the patterns, now I think I can solve this here. And then I think we're done. But that was a lot harder than it looked. Hold on. Gotta flip it the right way.